So now we are in the WordPress dashboard, and the first thing we need to do is install plugins for both Stripe and PayPal. So let's come to the left side and go to our plugins. Then let's click on Add New, and let's install Stripe first. So let's type in Stripe, and the one that we're going to use is this one here, Payment Plugins for Stripe WooCommerce by Payment Plugins. So let's click on Install Now and Activate. And now let's also install PayPal. So let's just type in PayPal, and we're going to use the one from Payment Plugins again. So this one right here. So let's click on Install Now and Activate. And now when we go back to our plugins, we can see both of these plugins right here. So now let's activate Stripe first. So let's go to WooCommerce and then click on Stripe by Payment Plugins. Here, click on Settings. And now to connect your Stripe account, you just want to click on this button right here, click to connect. Then here we need to enter the email of our Stripe account. Now, if you don't have a Stripe account yet, go ahead and create your Stripe account and then come back to this step. So enter your Stripe email and then click on Continue. Then enter your Stripe password and click on Login. Then you should receive a verification code to your phone number. So just type that code in here and then just click on Connect. So now our Stripe account is connected. So let's change the mode from test to live. And then let's also test the connection by clicking on Connection Test. And now there we go. It says connection test to Stripe was successful. Let's click OK. So let's scroll down and click on Save Changes. And then let's also look at how to activate the PayPal payment option. So here under WooCommerce, let's click on PayPal by Payment Plugins. Then go to Settings. And here next to Connect to PayPal, let's click on Click to Connect. And here just simply log in to your PayPal account. If you don't already have an account, create one first and then come back here. And make sure it's a business account, otherwise this will not work. So once you're logged in to your PayPal account, click on Agree and Connect. And that's all we have to do to connect PayPal. So let's scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now we also need to enable those payment options on our e-commerce website. So to do that, let's click on Payments up here. And then down here, we can activate different payment options. So here I have credit cards by Stripe activated. You can also activate Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other methods, but I'm going to leave these turned off for now. But I also want to activate PayPal. So let's scroll down and activate PayPal all the way down here. And let's save our changes. Now I also want to go to Accounts and Privacy and then make some changes to the settings here. So I like to activate this option, allow customers to log in to an existing account during checkout, and then these two as well. And these two I'm turning off. Let's scroll down and save the changes. And now let's go to our website and see if our payment providers are working. So let's go to our website. Then here we're going to put something in the cart. So we can just add this product right here. Then let's click on Checkout. And right here we have the option to pay using a credit card through Stripe, or we can also pay through PayPal.